Now that Access Workspace is here, you can see your business software in one place, sharing the same data with a single sign-on. Use apps to find what you need quickly and easily. Powerful apps that enable staff to complete tasks and find key information quickly and easily. GMs now have a suite of apps to manage their site and staff in one place. Quickly complete tasks, process approvals, access accurate data, manage your team, and find key information. Imagine if you could quickly and easily reduce admin headache and free your staff up to focus on working as a team and delivering even better guest experiences. Powerful apps at your fingers. Introducing new functionality. The benefits of Access Workspace expand far beyond GM usage as powerful communication and collaboration tools help increase engagement and share information. Access Workspace Applause app lets you thank and reward colleagues for doing a great job. Improve engagement, improve communication, reduce staff churn. Ops directors and head office staff will find applications that speed up the approvals process at the touch of a button. And operational teams can now rely on data accuracy, compliancy, and have instant access to real-time reports and analytics. Access Workspace is the platform for all Access hospitality products and services. Start anywhere, go anywhere. Take advantage of our full suite of solutions as your business needs grow and develop. Access Workspace for hospitality. Find out how Access Workspace can transform your hospitality business today. Visit theaccessgroup.com/hospitality.